Hello friends, welcome to Knowit Education and Training Platform. Well, Knowit is one of the institutes that is offering courses in quality assurance and quality control. The duration of the course is 1 month. It basically covers many topics. Number 1 is the role of QA/QC in the oil and gas industry and the standards and codes that are basically employed in the oil and gas industry that are ASME, API, ASTM and many more. It is also covers the topics of weld joint configuration, like what are the joints that are basically employed during piping welding and pipeline welding, and what are the welding positions basically employed by welders, and how to monitor these welding positions as a QA/QC engineer. It also shows the details of common welding processes like SMAW, GTAW, MIG, SAW and many other hybrid welding processes. It also gives a good understanding of the variables and inspection processes that are basically required during welding inspection, and the welding inspection checklist that should be followed by a particular QA/QC engineer who is working in a particular construction site. It also gives a thorough understanding knowledge of welding consumables and the electrodes and the classification of heat treatments for all the welding prior to welding procedure commencement, and it also gives us a good understanding of the mechanical testings. So these topics will be covered. Well, during the documentation part, I would like to say that how the documentation reports are prepared for a particular construction project, like a pipeline based project report preparation will be also covered in this QA/QC course. The other topics covered are pipe book and job procedures, how they are maintained and how the auditing system is done by a quality assurance and quality control engineer for a construction project. It also has many other topics that covers the welding procedure specification, the qualification criteria, how the welders should be qualified, how the batch certification should be done, and how the qualification of the welders are to be done with respect to the particular codes and standards and as per the project specification. So this course gives you a good idea of complete QA and QC procedures that are employed by a particular QA/QC engineer in the site. It gives you a good understanding of all the welding procedures and all the NDT procedures also.